In today's video, I will walk you through how to add High-Low Oscillator in Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend and make sure you are on the main chart screen where all chart tools and indicators are available. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Just below the Add Widget option, locate the Indicators icon. When you find the Indicators icon, click on it to open the Indicators menu. Inside the menu, select Add Indicator to continue. After clicking Add Indicator, a full list of available indicators will appear on your screen. From here, scroll through the list to locate High-Low Oscillator, or use the search box to find it faster. If you choose to use the search box, click on it and type High-Low Oscillator. When High-Low Oscillator appears in the results, click on it to add it directly to your chart. Once selected, the High-Low Oscillator indicator will automatically be applied to your chart layout. After it is added, you will see it displayed on your chart area. At this point, confirm that the indicator is visible and active before moving forward. Next, proceed to adjust the indicator settings if needed. Locate the settings option associated with the High-Low Oscillator indicator. Click on Settings to open the customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, review the available options for configuring the indicator. Make any adjustments you need based on your preferred chart setup. You can modify visual settings and other available parameters shown in the panel. Once you are finished making changes, close the Settings panel to apply your updates. The High-Low Oscillator will remain active on your chart with your selected configuration applied. You can continue working within Robinhood Legend while the indicator stays visible as part of your chart. If you need to make further adjustments later, you can return to the Settings menu at any time. That is how you add High-Low Oscillator in Robinhood Legend and customize it using the Settings menu.